This 2023 Forest River Georgetown 7 Series GT7 32J7 is a Class A RV. It is located in Attalla, Alabama 35954 and is offered for sale by Bankston Motorhomes of Gadsden. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 35 feet 0 inches in length and features a CHESTNUT interior, sleeps 4, slide-out, and 72 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2023 Forest River Georgetown 7 Series GT7 32J7 is built on a Ford F53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.